Hey guys, happy Thursday. Quick announcement. There is no school on Friday of this week, which is tomorrow, or Monday of next week. So I will not be posting anything Friday or Monday. So just so you know, enjoy those days off. Let's get started with what we're doing today. First thing is a simile and metaphor practice. So we've worked with similes independently, we've worked with metaphors independently. Today we're going to have an assignment that combines them. So the first thing we are checking, can you identify which one is a simile and which one is a metaphor? Okay, so if you remember our definitions, simile is comparing two unrelated things with an element that's shared, using like or as, very key thing there. And then a metaphor is just comparing two things. Okay, so looking at our example, the sky was the color of calm Pacific thousands of miles from land. Okay, so in looking at that, I do not see like or as, so I'm thinking that's a metaphor. Okay, now I need to figure out what's being compared. So I have the sky was the color, so I'm thinking the sky is the first thing, and it's being compared to the color of the calm Pacific. Okay, and then you have 3 sentences to practice today. We'll go over the answers on Tuesday, see how you did. So that is our figurative language practice for today. The second thing that you're going to be doing is reading Chapter 3, Number the Stars. Okay, the document provided is a chapter. If you want to listen to it, that is also available for you. Okay, so read or listen to Chapter 3. Real quick, I did want to show you where our story is taking place. And obviously this is North America, this is the United States. Here's Mexico and Canada, so it doesn't take place here. So we're going to cross the ocean. We're going to go over to Europe, and we're going to scroll in to this continent. This is all Europe here, but we are looking for Denmark, which is all the way up here, and it shares the border with only one country, and that country is Germany. So you can see the fact that Germany is so close to Denmark did make it an easy target for it to be invaded. So that is the country, Denmark, and then the city is in Copenhagen. Copenhagen is on this island in Denmark. And so right now, this is where we're at. In our book, we're in Copenhagen. And just wanted to make sure you guys kind of had an idea of where our story is happening. Will not post tomorrow, as I said. Won't be posting on Monday. Hope you guys are able to relax this extended weekend and stay safe out there. Miss you. Bye.